Hey everyone, Rob Labasso here. I am super excited to announce my up-and-coming Fretboard Mastery course launching this November. If you've ever felt lost on the fretboard or struggled to navigate scales, chords, and improvisation, this course is for you. I specifically designed this course to help guitarists like you master the neck, unlock new levels of playing, and build the confidence to express yourself freely across the fretboard. And here's some exciting news. I'm offering 20% discount on pre-sale sign-ups. That's right, 20%. Sign up early and save on the full course before it officially launches. It's a great opportunity to get in early and invest in your playing skills. So if you're ready to elevate your guitar playing and finally conquer the fretboard once and for all, click on the link in the description and grab your spot with the pre-sale discount. Don't miss out, this offer won't last long. See you in the course.